Hello guys, welcome to our channel and welcome to our new product review video. So let's get started.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're into room makeovers, gaming setups, or just love adding a bit of color and vibe to your space, then you're gonna love today's product review. We're checking out the USB LED strip lights with APP control. This flexible RGB light strip is packed with features, super easy to install, and perfect for room decoration or TV backlighting. Let's dive in. So right out of the box, you get a USB-powered LED strip. This one uses 50/50 RGB diodes, which means it can display some seriously vibrant colors. It comes with strong adhesive on the back, so installation is quick and painless. Just plug it into any USB port, think TV, PC, power bank, and you're good to go. Now the cool part, you control everything from your phone using the free app. The app connects via Bluetooth and lets you pick from millions of colors, adjust brightness, and choose from multiple lighting modes like flash, strobe, fade, and smooth. You can even sync it with music, which is awesome for parties or gaming. I stuck mine behind my TV, and look at that glow. It creates this awesome ambient light that reduces eye strain during movie nights and really pulls your whole entertainment setup together. You can also line it under a desk, shelves, or around your bed frame. Sky's the limit. So let's break it down. Pros easy. USB setup, fully app-controlled with tons of customization, music sync feature bright and colorful, 50/50 RGB LEDs, super flexible. And easy to install anywhere. Cons. The adhesive could be stronger. I recommend reinforcing it if you're mounting on textured surfaces. The app UI could use a little polish, but it works well overall. For under $20, this LED strip is a total steal. Whether you're upgrading your gaming setup, adding a vibe to your room, or just want to light up your movie nights, this little gadget delivers big. If you want to check it out, I've dropped the link in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments where you'd put your LED lights. Catch you in the next one.